Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a game-changing tool for anyone managing a website. Say goodbye to slow redirects, broken links, and SEO headaches. Introducing RedirHub, your ultimate URL redirection solution. RedirHub is a powerful platform that guarantees fast, reliable, and secure URL redirects with global reach. Whether you're redirecting to another page, your social media, or a survey form, RedirHub has got you covered with industry-leading redirect speeds. Setting up redirects with RedirHub is incredibly simple. It takes just 3 steps to redirect users anywhere you want them to go. No more stress, downtime, or broken links. Let's walk through how easy it is. With RedirHub, you get built-in HTTPS support to safeguard your domain and maximize SEO. Plus, SSL certificates are automatically renewed, ensuring secure connections. You can choose between permanent 301 redirects or temporary 302 redirects to maintain SEO link equity during migrations. Tired of manually checking links? RedirHub continuously monitors your destination URLs around the clock. You'll get instant notifications to update broken links, minimizing potential revenue loss and any negative impact on your SEO performance. Set up 24/7 monitors to ensure that all broken links are removed right away. Best of all, with RedirHub's detailed link analytics, you can measure campaign ROI and access real-time usage data. Track click data, traffic sources, and performance metrics to optimize your marketing strategies. Uncover trends in user behaviors using the built-in reporting tools and break down your traffic data by location, device, referrer, and page requests. RedirHub helps you maintain optimal link and SEO performance, from tracking ad redirects and cross-selling products to fixing broken links in your blog. So why wait? Redirect users without a hitch. Get lifetime access to RedirHub today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on amazing tools like this one. See you in the next video. Visit the link in the description to get started with RedirHub and take your website's performance to the next level.